Hi everyone, happy Halloween. Ooh, I sure saw showed my granddaughter my costume and she said, Nanny, you got something up your butt. Did you see the tail?
Stinger.
Okay, so what we're making here is pesto shrimp with pasta. I have a little Cuisinart here. I'm going to put in, but the pesto is pistachio. Give it a little bit more zing. So I have a cup of pistachio nuts, 2 garlic cloves, some basil, about 6-7 leaves, some grated cheese, like 2 tablespoons, and a half a cup of olive oil. And I'm gonna squish that up real fine. I don't want to put it on now because it makes too much noise. In the meantime, I'm gonna put 2 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And when this is heated up a little bit, I'm gonna saute cleaned shrimp. I leave the tails on so you can pick them up. And this is some pasta that I have cooking. So it's all gonna come together in like 5 minutes. I'll be back when the shrimp is ready to roll and this has been minced. So I sauteed the shrimp in the 2 tablespoons of olive oil and the minced garlic. I'm taking them out now. And I'm going to put the sauce in this pan. Oh, this is going to be so delicious. Okay, so here we go. You put a little bit of pasta water, 1 ladle of pasta water, and it should be like creamy. Lower the flame. Ah, whoa. We're going to put the shrimp back in. And now the pasta. I can't wait to have some. Yeah, if I don't spill it all on my stove. Save some of the pasta water just in case it gets too thick. I cook my pasta 7-8 minutes, no more than that. I like it al dente. And these are bucatini. Bucatini are a little thicker than spaghetti or linguine. Bucatini. Okay. Well, that looks good. I'm just going to take a little bit out to taste it. 1 shrimp and a little pasta, and we'll see how it tastes. Wow. That's good, but you gotta put a little bit more cheese on there. But there's shrimp in here, and my grandfather would turn in his grave if he knew I put grated cheese on shrimp. But I have to tell you, this is really good. So give it a shot. Fast, easy, just the way I like it. Until next time, bon appetit and happy Halloween. Happy Halloween!